A 24 years old girl lost her womb after ignoring medical treatment. Yes. Doctor tell her something. For you to tell doctor, say, see some kind things me I don't do, some kind evil things or bad things me I don't do. I don't know whether they affect me. So no, you dey hide them. You dey hide them now. You don't, because of that, you don't go lost your womb. As a man, bro, I will advise you for my own. Say, before you marry any woman now, the way life be, before you marry any woman, bro, tell her make she fair born one for you. Yes, one or two, make she fair born for you. If she say no, she say she must not marry, or before now, call the talk about children. My brother, and you know what you, I not talk the rest on. And you know what you want to do. Make sure she fair born for you, even if some say they, so they do where their wife don't get belly. Down see sharp. Say you can say after marriage, bro, don't try and
Stop scroll and listen to this. I'm so pained right now. There's absolutely no reason why you should lie to your doctor. I've said this before, but there's no reason at all. Everything you tell your doctor is kept in confidence. And I promise you, most of us would not judge you at all because we've seen worse. This lady came to the hospital and her complaint was that she was bleeding from her vagina. What she said is she had a period for longer than normal. And when we examined her, we had a list of diagnoses that were possible. And I asked her, look, are you okay with having your mom here? Because this was a 24 or 25-year-old lady, for which she said yes. And I asked, have you been sexually active? She said no. And then when the mom left, I asked her again in private, have you been sexually active? She said no. And then we eventually asked, okay, one of the routine things we're going to do for this type of complaint is to get an ultrasound scan. This lady refused to get an ultrasound scan. And at this time, I believe her mother was beginning to think in the same direction with us, but because maybe there were some elders in church, they were in denial. The mom was in denial, and she also refused to get the ultrasound scan done. They said it was her period, we should give her medications for them to go. Eventually, they left the hospital against medical advice. Fast forward quite recently, this lady was rushed into the hospital. Now, it was no longer blood that was coming out, it was pus. Pus was what was coming out from this lady. The lady was also in acute kidney injury. She was already having acute kidney failure because there was an infection in her womb. At this time, of course, we were forced to do an ultrasound scan, which showed that there were remaining products of a baby from her womb after an abortion that she attempted. For which, if this lady told us the truth, we would have removed these products since, and she probably would have gone home fine. Now, but what happened? By the time we examined and took her in, this lady had parts of her uterus were already necrosed. She had suffered necrosis. For those who don't know, necrosis is when cells die. The only way to save this girl who was already having acute renal failure was to remove her womb. This is a 24-year-old unmarried Christian lady. So in an attempt to cover up shame from her church, this lady has lost her womb at a very young age, an unmarried lady who has no child at all. I say it again, there's absolutely no reason, no benefit for you to lie to your doctor. Thank you.